I am so sure that I am not the only person that is battling with this economic crisis that we find ourselves in. So I am going to be sharing with you 5 income streams that I've used that has made me money. Thankfully, we're in a digital era where we do not even need to, do this side hustles physically. You can do them from the comfort of your home. All you need is just a mobile device or a laptop and an internet connection and just a few minutes of your time every single day. Yes, you must be consistent in order to get the best return. So number 1 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you help a company or a business to promote their goods and services, their products and services, and then you get paid a fee or a commission for doing that. It could be something as simple as using your social media to advocate for a product of a brand that you know, and then you insert a link and then you get paid for it. So you can actually apply to be affiliate of companies. You can go to a company website and apply to become an affiliate and promote their products and services, and then you get paid a fee. Alternatively, what I've seen people do is they go around their neighborhood and look at businesses that they think that have good products and services, offer to promote these businesses, but offer to bring customers and sales to these businesses in return to get paid, a certain percentage of the sales, a fee or a commission, And the amazing thing about this particular one is they usually get to mark up the price, so that way they get paid more money, for doing this affiliate marketing and word of mouth referrals. So affiliate marketing is super easy, way to make extra income from the comfort of your home. In my next videos, I'll be talking about affiliate marketing in detail. So you want to subscribe, like this video, and stay tuned to this channel. Number 2 is market research. I love market research. Like, it's literally the most simple way I've made hundreds of pounds in passive income. Market research is when companies pay you to give them your opinions on their products or their services or on topics that's affecting the world, and you just fill the surveys, give your opinions, and then you get paid. You could earn as high as £100, £200, £300. Like, there is literally no limit. Market research could last from 15 minutes to 1 hour. The maximum amount of time I've spent doing a market research is 45 minutes, and I got paid £150 for 45 minutes of my time, just giving valuable insights and sharing my opinion in an honest way with this company. So there are so many market research sites where you can sign up and apply for market research programs. Then number 3 is content creation. As a content creator, I can say that it is a very lucrative, deal, a very lucrative way to make extra source of income, because you get paid through brand collaborations, brand deals, and amazingly, a lot of the apps that offer us this content creation platforms like Instagram and Facebook and TikTok now also pay you for your views, your videos. You can run ads in your videos now and monetize it, which is amazing. Plus, as a content creator, it becomes easier for you to make a lot of money through affiliate marketing. If you're able to build a huge base of followers, then you can make plenty money as an affiliate marketer. If you're a genuine person and your followers trust your judgment and trust what you say, it becomes easy to make quick bank as an affiliate marketer. Number 4 is virtual assistant. That's been like my favorite side hustle of all time. I became a virtual assistant before I became a market researcher. So these are my top 2 early side hustles I've ever done. I just recently became an affiliate marketer. That's after I had built my platform, my social media platform. But virtual assistant is super easy. I could work for companies from the comfort of my home. I could do things like email scheduling, planning trips, planning itineraries, email coordination. So these were so many things I used to do as a virtual assistant: data entry, scheduling meetings, writing summary of meetings, doing research for companies. These were my role as a virtual assistant. These are the things, these are the services I offer as a virtual assistant, and I'm able to earn anywhere between £20 to £50 an hour for offering my services, right? And luckily for me, I have lots of clients on retainers. So this is something that you want to do as a freelancer. You can do it during the weekends, you can do it during the evening after your regular 9 to 5 job. It is easy, it is not that stressful. The only stressful part in the beginning is just to start and land your first client. But trust me, when you land your first client, it becomes super easy from there to get more clients. And it becomes very important for you to give that client the best service that you can give them so that you can actually get them on the retainership with you. Number 5 is print on demand. Print on demand is quite simple and seamless, especially because there's so many platforms that allow you to do this print on demand business. All you need to do is just to find a platform, register, choose the products you want, create your own designs and logos. It could be a fancy shirt, a fancy blanket, a beautifully designed cup or vase or anything at all. You put your logo on these products and then you sell. And the good thing is, it's similar to dropshipping where you do not have to take charge of your inventory or physical products. You just need to be in charge of designing your logo and your beautiful products. Upload them to this print on demand stores. They source for manufacturers for you from all over the world, and then they also help you ship your products to your customer. So all you need to do is just create your designs from the comfort of your home, relax at home, and then you make extra money just by doing nothing. What you need to do, the most important work for you as a print on demand business owner, is just to drive traffic to your print on demand shop. That's all. Once you're able to put the word out there that this is what I do, I have this print on demand shop, I sell this amazing cute blanket, I sell this amazing cute diaries, amazing cute shirts, and people are able to go to your store and then they make a purchase. That's it. The print on demand company would fulfill all your orders, ship them out to your clients, and then pay you, whilst you're just at home doing nothing. So these are 5 income streams that you need to consider if you're looking to make extra streams of income, to build wealth and to just survive and thrive. Until next time, please like, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more, money updates that I'm going to be bringing your way, and we'll just chat about it. And I hope that by the next time I see you again, you must have created your own multiple sources of income.